Assalamualaikum, I'm Ayla.
And this is Laiba. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, in this vlog we will be sharing a very random day in our lives. So आज का vlog हम यहाँ से start कर रहे हैं because आज का दिन हमारा up till now बहुत boring गुजरा था. It's expected because vacation start हो चुकी हैं and we're at home most of the time, so कुछ special हो नहीं पाता. So that's why मामा और बाबा का spontaneous सा plan बना था grocery लेने का. So we just thought that we should tag along and here we are.
Okay, so अब लाइबा मैं एंड मामा बाबा स्प्लिट हो चुके हैं. मामा बाबा ग्रोसरीज बाय कर रहे हैं एंड मैं और लाइबा बस हम अदर स्टफ चेकआउट कर रहे हैं.
Obviously because हमें groceries में तो कोई interest नहीं है. We're just here for the snacks.
Okay, so now it's snack time. Once again, ignoring our health, we're back at the noodle section. Last time हमने Indomie का chicken चटखारा flavor try किया था, but it did not suit our taste. I did not like it that much. So this time हमने एक new flavor try किया है. And by the way, this is the meat masala flavor.
So after getting everything we needed, we checked out and after all that we went back to Mama and Baba. उन्होंने भी grocery लेना finish कर लिया था and now they were looking at the ornamental kitchenware. And personally, me and Ayla both love this part because we love seeing all these unique and amazing pieces.
Laiba, take a look at these keychains. Aren't they cool?
Yeah, I agree. They're also cute too, and look at the variety. Look here, it says Iron Man. But sadly, he's dead. I wish I had not seen that movie.
यार क्या बात कर रही हो? I love that movie.
I guess वो sad तो थी, but awesome भी थी. चलो आइला आज rewatch करते हैं, okay?
Okay, deal. Oh my God, लाइबा मैं ये बैग बाय ना करना इतना regret कर रही हूँ.
आइला ये बात तुम 1000 times कर चुकी हो, literally. ओके गाइस, अभी हमारी शॉपिंग कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. नाउ वी गोइंग होम, सो आपसे कुछ देर बाद मिलेंगे. ओके बाय.
A few moments later.
सो गाइस वी आर बैक एट होम एंड हमारे पैकेजेस भी डिलीवर हो चुके हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स सी हमने क्या ऑर्डर किया है एंड इफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर रियली गुड और नॉट.
Okay, so I have ordered some of the trending products from Organic Traveler and let's see if these are really worth the hype. Actually, right now ये products हर जगह मेरे For You page के ऊपर, so I really wanted to see how good they were. So now let's start the unboxing. Okay, so first of all, I ordered a sunscreen. This is the Glow SPF tinted sunscreen from Organic Traveler, which has SPF 60 and is for sensitive and all skin types. So first of all, it has a tinted formula. ये natural coverage देती है और hyperpigmentation को भी prevent करती है. It has a gentle mineral formula. And it's supposed to not leave any white cast and it's supposed to be also fast absorbing. It's supposed to hydrate and soothe the skin while preventing premature aging. So इस sunscreen ने हमारी expectations तो बहुत high set कर दी हैं. So let's see कि ये हमारी expectations meet करती भी है या नहीं.
So now let's try out the product. I have great expectations from this because मेरी सारी friends ने इसे recommend किया था. So now, oh ये क्या हो गया है? ये bottle damaged है? क्या हमारे साथ एक और स्कैम हो गया आइला?
It's fine, Laiba. Let's not judge a book by its cover. इतना भी डैमेज नहीं है बॉटल.
लेकिन आइला ये लीक हो रही है.
It's fine. Let's stay optimistic and try out the product.
चलो ओके पहले ट्राई कर लेते हैं.
Okay, so now let's pump out some of the product on my hand and blend it out. Okay, so now as I'm blending it out, I can tell that it's quite lightweight and blends into my skin quite easily. It has a soothing effect and it's not leaving any white cast of any sort. Also, the tint factor is there, but it's just not that prominent.
So as you all can see, ये sunscreen अपनी बहुत सी expectations fulfill कर रही है, but we can't really give a recommendation after using it for only once. So after trying it out for a few days, हम अपना experience upcoming vlogs में share कर देंगे. So stay connected and also हम directly Instagram पर भी share कर देंगे.
Okay, so the next product that we have ordered is the Miracle Jelly Cleanser, again from Organic Traveler, and it's said to have the key ingredients of aloe vera, tea tree, neem, glycerin and vitamin E, and it has a bouncy jelly-like consistency, and it's supposed to be for people with acne, eczema and dark spots. Moving on, ये सब स्किन टाइप्स के लिए है. इट्स मेंट टू रिमूव डर्ट एंड मेकअप एंड ये उन स्किन टाइप्स के लिए स्पेशली बेनिफिशियल है जो एक्नी या फिर मंथली ब्रेकआउट्स एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं.
ऑल्सो जो लोग इंटरेस्टेड है मैंने उनके लिए इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स का और हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पेज का लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर दिया है, सो यू कैन चेक इट आउट लेटर. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सेकेंड पार्सल. एक्चुअली ये पार्सल मुझे कल डिलीवर हुआ था बट मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला कल अनबॉक्स करने का, सो नाउ आई एम डूइंग इट राइट नाउ. सो चलें देखते हैं मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया है. एक्चुअली मैंने 2 बुक्स ऑर्डर की हैं फ्रॉम द पेज ऑर्डर ऑन डोर. आई लिंक इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन सो यू गाइज कैन चेक इट आउट. So now let's see which books I have ordered and their quality. So moving on to the first book, I have ordered this book and this is, oh right, I have also ordered some bookmarks. These are the 4 bookmarks which I ordered, and now let's see the first book. The first book which I have ordered is the book Kite Runner from Khalid Hosseini. Actually all of my friends have read this book but I did not, so it was the perfect time and also vacations have started, so I bought this book. For those who are interested, इस book के genres हैं love, honor, guilt, fear and redemption, and people claim it to be the most heartbreaking, unforgettable and devastating book. And इसकी price बहुत affordable है and the quality it came with is amazing इसके price के according. Now let's move on to the next book, which is the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. And actually इस book में थोड़ी सी damage है but let's ignore that. And this is the book Atomic Habits and इसकी quality भी likewise the previous book is very good. The print is also good and the price is also affordable. So actually ये एक self help book है and it teaches us a lot. It's a very practical and useful book. Actually मैं पहले भी read कर चुकी हूँ and इंशाल्लाह दोबारा भी read करूँगी.
Now guys, that's it from our side. इंशाल्लाह आपसे एक नए useful and exciting vlog के साथ मिलेंगे.
So like, subscribe and share this video and also leave a beautiful comment. Till then, take care and that's it from our side. Allah Hafiz.